Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the sync images for offline usage on the BBC News application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three dots at the upper right corner of the screen and tap the first option, the settings. Scroll down and in the data section you can find the second option, the sync images for offline usage, and just tap to the white square icon. And this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.